Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a grid photo on Instagram Story. First, open your Instagram app and tap the plus icon at the top to start a new story. Next, select the photos you want to use from your phone's gallery. You can choose up to 10 images for a dynamic collage. Then, use the built-in layout tool to arrange these pictures into a visually appealing grid. This feature makes creating a multi-photo story simple and fun. For more advanced grid designs, consider using third-party photo editing applications. These apps offer greater flexibility, allowing you to split a single large image into several smaller ones, creating a stunning, continuous grid effect. You can experiment with various patterns, such as a 2x2 or a 3x3 layout, to achieve a unique visual presentation. This method elevates your story beyond the standard options. Once your grid is set, it's time to customize it. You can add engaging elements like text, stickers, and animated GIF to make your story more interactive and expressive. Feel free to adjust the size and position of each individual photo within the grid to achieve the perfect balance. Additionally, apply filters or effects to ensure all your images have a cohesive and polished appearance. Before sharing, always take a moment to preview your grid story to ensure everything looks perfect. You have the option to share your creation with all your followers or select a specific close friends list for more private viewing. To boost engagement, consider adding interactive elements like polls or question stickers. This encourages your audience to participate and connect with your content.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.